In this video, we're going to learn about the techniques of stippling and pointillism. Let's start off with stippling. Stippling is when you are shading with dots using only one color. So you're either using black or just orange or green, whatever. Here's a drawing done by an artist using the technique of stippling. Notice how the artist is creating both dark and light values by simply spacing their dots a certain way, closer together for darker values and further apart for lighter values. Let's break it down looking at a grayscale. Again, we see that light values are created when those dots are spaced further apart. There's not as many. While darker values are spaced closer together, and there's a whole lot more of them. Next, we're going to look at a video, and I want you to see how the artist is using stippling. Next, we're going to talk about pointillism. Pointillism is basically the same thing as stippling, where the artist is using small dots of multiple colors to create value. Here's an image done by an artist using pointillism. Notice how the artist is not just using one color. They're using multiple colors here to create their dark and light values. They start off with a base color, so let's look at the eye. We have a blue, and then they're mixing in different colors like yellows and greens to make lighter and darker values. Here's another picture. Let's focus on the green ball in this picture. Again, the artist has started with a base color, in this case green, and when they want to create darker values, they add more dark colors and they add more dots. They do vice versa when they want to create lighter values. Now it is going to be your turn. In your packet, you're going to first create a grayscale using the stippling technique. Second, you'll create a grayscale using the pointillism technique. Choose a base color first and then add your colors to create dark and light values. Third, you're going to either use stippling or pointillism to shade in your apple.
Created using Powtoon.